It's a very interesting sector. There is a huge growth prospect. Notwithstanding COVID this year, the sector has actually grown by about 10%. In the coming few years, there will be a huge demand for precision engineering products and services. We'll be supporting the following 3 PACT enhancements until March 2022. First, we will increase the support rate for qualifying costs to promote closer partnerships between companies. Now, the second, we will extend the coverage of the PACT to support qualification of new suppliers and new or existing products as long as an OEM contracts with a new supplier. Now, the third, to internationalize the manufacturing footprint of Singapore companies with more than 30% local shareholding and allow them to be potential suppliers to more OEMs or original equipment manufacturers. Will enhance the support for Singapore companies with manufacturing activities carried out overseas. The government will continue to work with the key stakeholders to ensure that the precision engineering sector continues to grow and create good jobs for Singaporeans.